Stranded in space. NASA is working hard to bring home 2 astronauts who are currently stuck in space. Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore are part of a mission to test a new spacecraft, the Boeing Starliner. Starliner was launched on June 8, headed to the International Space Station, or ISS. The plan was to travel to the ISS and back in 8 days. However, during the launch, engineers identified helium gas leaks and thruster problems, which affect how the spacecraft moves. Williams and Wilmore managed to dock Starliner onto the ISS and board successfully. But for now, they are unable to safely return home. While this delay was not planned, the astronauts say that it's part of the testing process.
Human spaceflight is not easy in any regime, and there have been multiple issues with every spacecraft that's ever been designed, and that's the nature of what we do.
In the meantime, supplies have been delivered to the ISS, including food and fuel. And while they wait for an exit plan, the astronauts have been keeping busy.
We've been doing science for them, maintenance. So I got to do some gene sequencing. I think you got to do some other science experiments as well with a moon microscope that was 3D printed.
NASA has confirmed that the astronauts won't be able to return to Earth until February 2025, making the trip 8 months longer than initially planned. However, Williams and Wilmore aren't complaining.
We are having a great time here on ISS. You know, Butch and I have been up here before, and it feels like coming back home.
How have humans adapted to life in space? That's one of the main questions at the center of the ISS archaeological project. Archaeologists study human activity in the past. They often conduct excavations, or digs, which uncover objects and materials. These objects and materials help archaeologists figure out how humans used to live. Now, for the first time, archaeologists have conducted similar excavations on the ISS with the help of astronauts. Astronauts marked out grids at different areas around the ISS. They took photographs of each grid every day for 60 days. These photographs were then analyzed by archaeologists on Earth. The objects in these photos revealed that astronauts have adapted different areas of the ISS to suit their needs. This area was originally designed for doing experiments and maintenance. However, there was little evidence that these activities were taking place. The photographs showed that almost half of objects in the area were used to stop other objects from floating away. These include clips, straps, and tape. Therefore, archaeologists concluded that the astronauts were mainly using the area as storage. Data from this project is still being analyzed and will continue to reveal more about the unique lives of astronauts in space. These results will also help to improve the design of space stations to better suit the needs of the astronauts of the future. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Twig Science Reporter. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss our weekly update.